Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to assemble the Geneva drive mechanism, and also we can do the simulation of that mechanism. Let us start with the assembly of Geneva drive mechanism. Now we are going to design the Geneva drive mechanism. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open that one. Then try to insert the components. Part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 5. Open. First of all, try to take them out. Then try to assemble the shafts. And then for center axis apply, and then try to give the surface distances. These both surfaces are in contact, it is 0. Apply. Again try to insert the another shaft. Components, existing component, part number 5. Again try to insert the same as it is center axis, and then try to give the surface distances. Apply. Then try to insert the Geneva wheel with shaft and give the surface distances. Apply. Then apply, and then give the surface distance. This surface and this surface will be in contact, it means 0 degree, 0 distance. Then apply. Then try to use the mechanism, edit, move. Perfect. Then click OK. Now we need to go to the DMU kinematic section. Give the revoluted joints for the shafts. Click OK. Then give the revoluted joint for a Geneva wheel. Then fix the shafts. and we need to give the angle of driven for each revoluted joint. Then try to fix the base also. Yeah. These both are rotating. Yeah, up to now we completed the kinematics of Geneva drive mechanism. Now we need to give the two laws. First one is a crank wheel law and second one is a Geneva wheel law. For that one we need to go to the knowledge advisor. Try to click here and put as a rule name is crank wheel. Click OK. Then try to go to the angle. The first angle is must be equal to divided by 1 second into 1. Apply. We are going to kinematic section. Let us see it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. And one more thing here, we need to put as 360 seconds. Close. Again we need to give the Geneva wheel rule. For that one we need to do two distances. We want two distances to apply the Geneva rule. The first one is a crank radius and second one is a C distance, as you are seeing in picture. What is this means? The distance between the two axes is 75. This is the distance C, and crank radius is, this is the crank radius 45 mm. Now we are going to apply the Geneva wheel rule. For that one, click here and named as a Geneva wheel. Click OK. The Geneva angle of driven must be equal to sine of first angle is divided by, as already we discussed, C distance divided by crank radius minus cos first angle of driven crank wheel play. Yeah, and another one we need to give the if is equal to R 20 seconds means 20 s. It must be do this one, else equal to 340 seconds, else she must be do this. to give here if it's applied. And again we need to go to the kinematic section. Let us open that one. Let us see it's working or not. Oh yeah, it is working. Okay, yeah, perfect. The animation of Geneva mechanism is also over. Here we need to the animation of the Geneva mechanism is also over. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.